Good morning! Where are you?
Good morning!
Today we are going on a Thai cooking class. We're going to make all the dishes that we've had here that are our favourite.
Tom Yum!
Tom Yum! And then we are going to go check out the old city temples, and we might also go in the pool because we haven't been in the pool yet. And we fly to Phuket tomorrow, so
it's bad.
One chance to go in the pool.
We're on holiday and we haven't been swimming yet. Whoopsie!
Guess we swam with the elephants.
Hi!
Kind of. Just got muddy with the elephants, but yeah. So we'll see you at the cooking class. Bye! So first of all, they've taken us to this market and we're learning about all the different ingredients that we're going to be using in our dishes at the cooking class.
Yeah.
Use your head.
Four.
One, two, three. Welcome to Thai kitchen. Are you ready?
Yay!
1, 2, 3.
Well, that's not bad.
This is my green curry.
What are you making?
Now we're gonna make a pad thai.
What's that? And let's just smile! Smile!
Don't cry, don't cry. Okay, good. มันจะได้อาย
So we just came back from the cooking class. It was so fun. It was probably one of the best things that we've done here actually, in my opinion. I thought it was pretty good. Yeah, in Chiang Mai. Did you not enjoy it?
Yeah, we've done loads of good stuff.
We did loads of good stuff, but I really did enjoy the cooking class because it was such a small group and it was so chilled, and I don't know, it just felt like something real in Chiang Mai to do. I mean, everything's obviously real. I don't know how to, authentic, that's a good word for it. It felt very authentic, so I really enjoyed that. And the ladies there were super nice. The one lady was making me laugh a lot. She says that the Thai women, when they bang all the herbs together, all the ingredients together, they try and do it as loud as possible to say that they're ready for a husband. So yeah, that made me laugh. But now we're gonna go in the swimming pool. We haven't actually been in the swimming pool since we've been here, so we're just gonna chill out by the pool a little bit, and then whilst it's still light we're gonna go to the old city temples in the middle of Chiang Mai. So we'll see you in a bit. Bye. We are now at the Old City Temples. This one behind me is called Wat Chedi Luang. I think I'm pronouncing that right, not sure. There's one in Chiang Mai and there's also one in Chiang Rai, which we visited the other day, but this one is the original. Seven. Wow. 7. So that was our video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Tomorrow we are going to be getting a flight to Phuket. So yeah, we will see you in the next video. Bye.